This is the elevator at the shops at Sarasota Row Garage, or what everyone knows as the Whole Foods Garage in Sarasota, Florida. C.J. Anderson Hall Station on the first floor runs an Otis Series 1. That's 3. A bit warm here to go up. Scrapey door. I haven't run this thing in many years. It's elevator 5, just like a part of a bigger condo complex, but I think everything else is restricted. Here's 3. This isn't the roof. There's 2 more floors for the residence condos. Back on ground. It's your certificate. It's nice and basic, but pretty nice hospital size 2-speed door elevator. Dim LED lighting, and some of them are, one of them's burned out, some of them are dim. Back at ground. There's Whole Foods. That wasn't enough to be it. I don't know if the indicator broken or what.